Hey guys, this is Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Accord Sport 2.0 Turbo. Congrats guys, I'm really excited for you. I'm going to set you up for success. I'm going to show you how to customize your vehicle settings so when you drive off the lot, everything's the way you want it, alright? If you guys have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. Also share your experience, what you think about this car as you use it from day to day. Share with the community, help everyone out. I'll greatly appreciate that, right? Don't forget to check out my walk around video as well that shows you all the cool standard features and functions on that car as well. Then let's go personalize your vehicle settings, all right? All right, everyone, we're inside the car right at the moment. We're at the home menu. We're gonna select settings. From there, we're gonna select vehicle. Then we're gonna start from the top, then we'll work our way down, all right? So the first thing that's gonna pop up is gonna be your tire pressure monitoring system calibration. So once your tire pressure light is on, once you kind of double checked everything, you wanna reset that to turn that light off, all you have to do is hit calibrate, all right? So now that takes us back to our vehicle settings menu. We're gonna be at your vehicle assist system setup, the second option right there. We're going to start from the top and of course work our way down, okay? So the very first thing is going to be blind spot information. So this is kind of nice. Pretty much as you guys know, you have indicators on your side mirror when you go 20 miles an hour or faster. Someone's in a blind spot, that lights up. Then I'm assuming when you have your turn indicator on, you want it to talk back to you when someone's in your blind spot, all right? So that's the way we have it set up right now. Someone's in a blind spot, indicator's on, it beeps at you when you go at the proper speed. So we'll keep that on there from that point. I'm gonna probably go with this. There's no right or wrong answer as you guys do this. I'm gonna set everything on so when you go on a test ride for that next person that wants to see everything that the Honda Accord has to offer, it's there, ready to go for them, all right? What I love about these Accords is they have a nice description as you kind of see as we go through this, so you don't have to keep this stuff memorized, all right? Now we have your traffic sign recognition system. So I'm gonna move this tripod here. Over here on the driver's interface, when you're driving down the road, right up there, it's gonna have a speed limit sign once it catches that. It's gonna be running off of this camera, is up here on the windshield, all right? So simply, do you want that on or off? Hey, let's keep it on, why not? Hit save. Now you're gonna have your forward collision warning distance. So as you're driving down the road, right, it detects that you're gonna hit a car or a pedestrian, an object, stuff like that, right? It has the 3 stages when it's going to start a warning. Warns you, then gets you to a stop, stuff like that. You can customize the distance when those are going to engage. I would encourage you guys to double check your owner's manual to know the exact distance, but the manufacturer, Honda, decided to keep it normal, so I'm going to do the same as well, all right? So I can hit save, or I can hit the back button. Now we have your ACC, is your Adaptive Cruise Control Forward Vehicle Detection Beep, all right? So when you have your adaptive cruise control on, right? This is you setting the distance between you and your car. You and the car in front of you, all right? So let's say you're going 45 and the car is going, I don't know, let's say 42, 40, whatever, 40 miles an hour. And it senses that car, it slows you down to maintain that distance. Now when it finds that car, do you want it to beep at you so you know why you're going from 45 to 40 miles an hour? Sure, why not? Let's do that. So I'm going to say yes, turn that on, hit the save button, and then there we go. Next thing we're going to have is a lane keeping assist suspense beep. Let's select that. So simply when you go out of your lane, right, when you have your lane keep assist on, it's going to beep at you to let you know, hey, you're going out of your lanes as it brings you back, or depending on however you have that next setting set at, all right? So I'm going to turn that on. I don't think I'm a bad enough driver, so all I hear is beeps. But we'll find out later on. Now you have your road departure mitigation settings right there. So every time you go off the road, out of the lane, stuff like that, you can change the sensitivity, or you can have it as warning only, all right? Honda has it normal for a reason. That's what I'm considering, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it on normal. I'll let you guys fine tune it over time. Next thing we're gonna have is your driver's attention monitor. Most likely you guys would never experience this, but for somehow the Honda Accord has a way to indicate when your attention span is low and you're not doing very well at driving, that you should probably take a break, right? So with that being said, I'd probably definitely want to be alert all the ways as possible if I really need to take that break because I'm dozing off or my driving habits are terrible. So I'm going to keep it on that one. Now that's everything underneath driver's assist system setup. So I'm going to hit the back button. Now we're going to go down to your meter setup. Start from the top. Let's work our way down. Language selection. Right there, just in case if you guys want to know how to do that. I'll hit the back. Now you can adjust your outside temperature gauge. You have a 5-degree swing either way if you guys want to fine tune it for any particular reason. Now we're going to have your rear seat reminder. Tells you exactly right there on the screen what it does. So simply when I turn off the car, right, it's going to remind me to check my back seat. So that's going to be kind of nice for any kind of objects, people back there, whatever the case is. So I'm going to keep that on. Adjusted alarm volume. So I can adjust my alarm volume from that point, or just the sounds, as you can see right up there. So like with the door open, warning systems, my turning indicator, all that. You get your reverse tone. So as soon as I put my car into reverse, it gives me a little tone to let you know, hey, you got your car into reverse. You didn't hit the park button. You didn't hit the neutral button. It's in reverse. Scroll down a little more. I'm trying to miss anything. Perfect. Now we can customize. Oh, let's back this out here quick for a second. Over here, as we remove the tripod, we can customize your driver's interface system right here. This is the next step. So I have everything enabled right up there so you guys can see exactly everything from that point. Let's say you don't want some of this stuff. You want to clean it up a little bit so you don't use it. This is the next step right here. This is what we're going to do. Let's see if I can straighten out this tripod now. All right, perfect. So all you have to do is select this and you can just uncheck all this stuff if you don't want all those goodies, all right? There we go. All right, so the next thing we're gonna have is your fuel efficiency backlight. I'm gonna move the tripod again. So simply what that is, it's gonna be this nice white light right here, right? It changes colors from white to green when you are being fuel efficient and green to white when you're not. So as a visual coach, so if you wanna be a little more self-aware in your driving habits, excuse me, you know, to maximize your fuel economy, this can help. Give you a nice little visual, all right? So I'm gonna save that. A little delay, so I'm going to touch randomly on the screen. You have your trip A and trip B. You can choose when that automatically resets, or you can keep it as manually. Now trip B is going to be the same exact thing, same options. Then we have your turn-by-turn auto display right up there. Why not keep that on as I'm using my navigation? Now you have your tachometer. So this is pretty much, as we remove this tripod, it's going to display right up here. So right now it's off. So it's a nice clean look. I don't have to have it up there all the time unless I hit that. Then it's going to display from that point, but that's the only thing. So let's say if I want to see my range and fuel, right? But I don't see my tachometer up there. I like seeing that for some reason. Well, let's turn it on right now. Then you'll see that, okay? Hit the on button. Hit save. There we go. Come back over here. Give you guys a little bit of motion sickness. And then there it is. So now, no matter what I select, it's going to be up there. All right, so the next thing is going to be speed and distance. You need to go from miles per hour to the next option. We're set. Now that's everything under meter setup. We're going to go to the keyless access setup, all right? Start from the top and work our way down. So right now we got the key fob in our pocket or jacket or purse. You know what I'm saying? You walk up, put your hand in the handle, all right? What doors or door do you want to unlock? Do you want just the driver's side or all doors? Okay. Now, there's no right or wrong answer for this. It just comes down to what you guys want. Maybe most of the time you guys go on about alone. This is your commuter, right? So you don't need all the doors. But occasionally you have friends and family. It's simply, hey, put your hand in the handle, then hit the unlock button, or just hit unlock on the key fob as you walk towards the car, okay? So I'm gonna hit save. You got a smart entry light flash. So when you put your hand in the handle, right? Or when the door's locked, stuff like that, because you hit the little thing on the sensor out there, you want the lights to flash because there's a little delay when you put your hand in the handle. I like that, so at least I know it's unlocked, so no one's yanking on my handle, okay? Now you have your beep, same thing, you got the delay, or when you touch the button out there to lock the doors, or when it unlocks, you want the audible to let you know it's unlocked or locked, right? So we'll keep that on. I don't have to guess. Now we have your remote start system, on or off. You can simply turn on or off this feature if you want to. I can't think of a reason why. And just, if you don't want to use it, I guess you can turn it off or you just not use it, all right? We'll hit the save button. Now that's everything underneath your keyless access setup. We're gonna go down to lighting setup. We're gonna start from the top. A lot of this you can read from that point and work your way down. Auto light sensitivity. So when I got my headlights on auto, pretty much your headlights, pretty much your day, nighttime transparency, sensitivity, you know, how soon is your light's gonna come on. I'm gonna keep it on medium. A lot of this stuff, I'm gonna keep it at manufacturer default. There's no, you know, you guys can do what you want. So this is your interior light. So pretty much when I have the headlights on auto, right? Though they came on, my headlights come on, it changes the brightness with my headlights on, the interior lights. They can increase or decrease that for any particular reason. Maybe you can't see it, so you have to increase it. Maybe it's too bright, you can decrease it. You have your auto headlights on with wiper. So simply when your headlights are on auto setting, wipers come on, your headlights come on. Headlight auto off timer. So pretty much we got to where we're going. It's nighttime. I like to think about this in advance. Maybe I'm getting to work late at night, work third shift, you know, or I'm just out running about. I have a distance to walk to get indoors, right? Dark area. So when I get out of the car, shut the door, you know, lock it all up, in X amount of time, your headlights would turn off. Maybe I park in the garage all the time, never out and about, all that kind of stuff. 15 seconds, I see a lot of people go from 15 to 30 seconds, all right? Interior light dimming time. Shut off the car, get out of the car, X amount of time, your interior lights were shut off as soon as you close the door. Which of those will work best for you? Now that's everything under lighting setup. Scroll down, we have door and window. Start from the top, auto door lock. So we just got in the car, right? Gotta go show off your new Accord. When do you want your doors to lock? As soon as you shift from park to like drive in reverse or with speed, or have that off and just when you hit the button on the door. You have your key and remote. So this is you using the key fob for the first time, right? You got the key fob, you hit unlock. You just a one time, because if you double unlock, if you hit unlock twice, automatically unlocks all doors. So with that being said, a lot of times, about 95% of my customers that join the family here at Randy Kuehl, they do driver's side door only, okay? Then they just double tap it the second time, and then it unlocks all doors, all right? We have keyless lock answer back. I'm assuming when you hit lock or unlock, stuff like that, you wanted to, you know, talk back to you when you use the key fob, right? Security, relock timer. So we hit unlock on the key fob. You have X amount of time to get to this door and open up this door. If you don't, in that X amount of time, boom, doors lock right away, all right? A lot of times you'll see the car before you hit that button anyways. So you can have fun with this. Do a couple of pranks. Tell people go out there. You have your auto door unlock. So we just got here at the dealership to ask me some questions. And you guys are like, hey, when you get out of the car, when do you want your doors to unlock? All right. You can do it as soon as the car is turned off. Boom. As soon as you shift to park, doors unlocked. If you're doing constant stop and go, dropping people off, or it's just you by yourself, going out somewhere new quite a bit, put it to park, shut off the car, mind your surroundings. As soon as you open up the front door, guess what? Doors unlocked, so now everyone can get in and out. Or you can have that feature off. Last thing here is going to be a walk-away auto lock. So let's say I got the key fob with me, I turn off the car, I get out of the car, I walk away 10 feet from the car, right? Boom, doors lock. I know every time when I run errands or when I walk away from this after a test drive with someone, the car is locked. I like that. It gives me that peace of mind. Now, if you leave the key fob in here, right, you walk away, you cannot lock your keys in the car. It won't let you lock it. It won't lock it. The only way you can do that, if you have the second key to the car, you hit lock, while that first set of keys in the car, then it registers that you're purposely locking the keys in the car. All right? So knowing I can't lock the keys in the car, I occasionally have some stuff in there I don't want no one to get to, I'm going to do that. All right, so the very last thing now is going to be maintenance information. So oil changes, other services that may need to be done to your vehicle. It's all going to be right here for you guys, all right? Hey guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully I answered a lot of you guys' questions. Once again, if not, drop them down below in the comments. Don't forget to share your guys' experience with your Honda Accord. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. Help out the community from that point down there in the comments, all right? You know what to do. If it was helpful, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share with a friend and family, okay guys? This is Crazy Honda Chris. I'm always here to help. Bye-bye.